Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of Roblox. So this will be for Android, iPhone, same type of thing on your computer as well. So first of all, if you're going to see here, you're on the home screen. If you want to sign out, you're going to want to get to the three little buttons on the bottom right hand corner if you're on the app right here. You just want to get to the three little buttons that brings up this more menu here. Then once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see log out. So log out and sign out, the same thing. Click on that and then click log out. And then what will happen, it will go to this screen right here. You'll be logged out. And then obviously to log back in again, you're going to want to click the login button. And then go ahead and type in your username. It might already be there. And then type in your password, like I'm doing now. And then you want to click log in. And then you'll be back into the account, and then you'll be able to access all the features, etc. like this. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Roblox app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.